We're back at the Ziggy house. It feels like it was only a few weeks ago that we're here when they were just putting the roof on, and well, it was just a few weeks ago. This house started about 3 months ago, and they move in this Friday. It's Monday today, they're just doing the final touches. So a lot will happen in the next few days, but you can see just how quick these houses can be built. It is a knockdown rebuild, so they've moved to the right hand side of the property so that they can go back and build another house. They've already subdivided the land, so it's all ready to go for the next house, but the family will be living in this one for the next few years. It's got some interesting characters or features on this property. They've used some curved walls, they've used the old breeze block areas here off the outdoor living area. They've got an outside kitchen, nice swimming pool, and high ceilings, nice bright white finish as well with a combination of different materials. They've used a lot of their standard cladding, which is the James Hardy Flex with the cover battens over the top, which gives it that real sort of beach shack sort of look, but you know, looks great, very modern sort of finish, and it's easy to apply. But yeah, no, nice house. Have a look through, and you know, there's lots of designs that we're now doing with these combinations of bringing the old styles in with the new sort of features, but you know, this one looks fantastic.